Hello everyone, this is RKV and you are watching Unveil Universe. Samsung will launch its second flagship smartphone for this year in the coming months, and we will gradually start hearing more and more rumors about that handset. The Galaxy Note 9 is due in the second half of this year, and if a source with somewhat solid track record is to be believed, Samsung won't be making any major design changes to the Galaxy Note 9. A China-based Twitter leakster who goes by the name Ice Universe has been right on some accounts in the past. The leakster now says that Samsung won't be making any major design changes to the Galaxy Note 9, and it is going to be very similar to the Galaxy Note 8's design. That is not going to be a bad thing because the Galaxy Note 8 design was much appreciated and it was a very good design. However, those who are holding out on major design changes might have to wait until the next year, as they might not find this upcoming flagship phablet to be very good for them. Samsung is apparently making the same strategy which was used with S9 this year. The new flagship doesn't come with substantial design changes and it looks very similar to the Galaxy S8. Some reports have suggested that this has hurt Samsung Galaxy S9 sales, as consumers doesn't want to spend more money on new flagship that looks very similar to the last year's design. That's likely to be sentiment with the Galaxy Note 9 as well, if this information is going to be correct. So now you know the design of Note 9. Let me know your thoughts about the Note 9's design in the comment section below. And if you like this video and find it interesting, do hit that subscribe button for more videos like this one in the future. So that is all for today. I'll see you tomorrow in the next one. Until then, peace.